Lamasin muna natin siya guys ng salt. Salt first, mix. Only little bit of salt. Ganun guys. Guys, ihanda na natin ang ating sauce. Lime. Ayan na guys. This sauce, ang alamang. And then I'm going to mix now my shrimp paste. Ihalo na natin to guys. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix again. Then I'm going to prepare my bowl for my mango salad. I'm going to transfer it here. I want to taste. To mix my pineapple slices, tomatoes, and cucumber. Mix properly. I'm rolling. Or you can mix it with your hands if you have gloves. Perfect. Add a little bit of raisin. This is optional. Ready. Last, I toasted sesame seeds. Look. This is my mango salad. Thank you for watching. Bye! At kainin na natin to guys. Baka kainin pa ng iba.